As a freelance writer, it can be tough to find work. You might spend hours online searching for writing jobs, only to come up empty-handed. Or you might apply to dozens of jobs and hear nothing back. It's easy to get discouraged when you're trying to build your freelance writing career. But don't give up. There are plenty of ways to find freelance writing jobs if you know where to look. In this video, we'll discuss 6 of the best methods for finding work as a freelance writer. Social media has made it easier than ever to connect with like-minded people from all over the world. If you're interested in freelance writing, there are many social media groups where you can find work, such as LinkedIn and Facebook groups. These groups are a great resource for finding writing jobs, as well as getting advice and support from other freelance writers. When you join a social media group, be sure to introduce yourself and let people know what kind of work you're looking for. Many groups have weekly or monthly job postings, so it's a good idea to check back often. You can also post your writing samples and services on these groups, which can help you attract potential clients. These groups are also great places to network with other writers and get your name out there. You can also use social media to search for writing jobs. By following companies and key industry influencers, you can see job postings as they're announced. Many companies also use social media to post about open freelance positions. By staying active on social media, you can increase your chances of finding the perfect freelance writing job. If you're a freelance writer, one of the best ways to find work is to create your website. By creating a portfolio of your work and making it easy for potential clients to find you online, you'll be well on your way to landing freelance writing jobs. Here's how to get started. First, choose a platform for your website. There are several options available, so take some time to research which one will work best for you. Once you've decided on a platform, create a domain name and web hosting account. There are many tutorials available online to help you through this process. Then, design your website. Start by creating an About page, which will give potential clients an idea of who you are and what you do. Then, add a portfolio page showcasing your writing samples. Include clear contact information so potential clients can reach you. Finally, promote your website. Use social media, guest blogging, and other marketing techniques to get the word out there. The more people who know about your website, the more likely you are to find freelance writing jobs. Freelance writers can benefit from asking their friends, clients, and connections if they know of any freelance writing jobs. By doing this, you can tap into a larger network of people who may help you find work. These individuals may be more likely to recommend you for a job because they know you personally. When asking your friends, clients, and connections for help, be sure to let them know what kind of work you're looking for. This will make it easier for them to recommend you for jobs that are a good fit. In addition, provide them with your contact information and website so they can easily get in touch with you. By taking advantage of your network, you can increase your chances of finding the perfect job. Even if a referral does not lead to a freelance writing project, it can still help to build your network and expand your reach. As a freelance writer, one of the best ways to find work is by writing guest posts. This involves writing articles for other people's blogs or websites. Not only does this give you exposure to potential clients, but it also helps build up your writing portfolio. When approaching a website or blog owner about writing a guest post, be sure to pitch them a topic that would interest their audience. If they accept your article, deliver high-quality content that will leave a good impression. If you can establish yourself as a reliable and talented freelance writer, you're on your way to finding regular work. As a freelance writer, one of the best ways to find work is to cold pitch potential clients. Cold pitching involves reaching out to companies or individuals who might be interested in your services and offering to write for them. You can do this via email, social media, or even in person. While it's daunting to put yourself out there, cold pitching is an effective way to find work as a freelance writer. Not only does it allow you to reach a wider range of potential clients, but it also shows that you are proactive and willing to go the extra mile to get the job. Cold pitching can be a great way to land high-paying freelance writing jobs as well. By reaching out to companies and individuals directly, you can bypass the lower-paying job boards and work directly with clients who will pay more for your services. If you're feeling stuck in your freelance writing career, consider giving cold pitching a try. It's an effective way to find new clients and land high-paying jobs. When it comes to finding freelance writing jobs, the internet is a goldmine. Dozens of websites that connect freelance writers with clients who need content written. Some websites specialize in a specific type of writing, such as copywriting or SEO articles, while others are more general. Many freelance writing websites also allow writers to browse through listings and apply for jobs directly, making the job hunt process simpler and more efficient. In addition, many of these websites offer helpful resources for freelance writers, such as guides on how to start your own freelance business or tips on how to land high-paying clients. Whether you are just getting started as a freelance writer or looking for new opportunities, search freelance writing websites to find the right writing job. One of the best freelance writing platforms today is paperword.com. We offer high-quality writing opportunities for talented freelance writers. If you're looking for a new writing gig, check out our job board. We have a variety of projects available and have something for everyone. We are sure you will find the right project in minutes. We also offer a range of resources for freelance writers, including tips on how to be a better writer, how to get published, and how to start your own freelance writing business. If you are serious about making a career out of freelance writing, we can help you take your business to the next level. Check us out today and sign up for a free account. You could land your dream writing gig in no time.